There is another sister by the name of Tanya Pauling. She's German. One day, Tanya was walking in the market of Hamburg in Germany when she sees a Muslim woman covered in the hijab. Now when she saw that scene, she was disturbed, because most Westerners don't understand what the hijab is. All they know about the hijab is Taliban, that's it. They don't know anything beyond that. And really, it is our fault, my respected brothers and sisters, for not showing them the true essence of hijab, practically and ideologically, through our actions and by sharing our ideology with them. So Tanya says, as I was walking in this market, I saw this Muslim woman who was observing the hijab, and I started to mock her. I approached her, I told her, what is this illness, what is this madness that has caused you to cover your body in this way? Look at the beautiful answer that she receives. That Muslim woman who was educated, who knew what her hijab is, she told her, and what is this illness, this madness which has caused you to remove your clothes? She says, at that point, something struck me. She was mocking her, she was making fun of her. But this statement had a profound impact on her. She said, I began to speak to her. I asked her about the religion of Islam. I was convinced that the religion of Islam was the true religion for me. So I decided to visit a mosque by the name of Imam Ali Mosque in Germany. I went there and I declared that there is no God but Allah, and that His messenger is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alayhi. Allahumma salli ala. And that the successor of the Holy Prophet is Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam. Unfortunately, we do not appreciate this gem, the hijab that Allah has given us. It is these others who appreciate the value of the hijab, because they've lived in a different environment. They see the beauty of the hijab, and they see how it can change their lives for the best.